Apple has a history of playing it safe with the Ultra series, but that ends now. If you thought the previous generation was just a minor refresh, wait until you see what is coming with the Apple Watch Ultra 4. We are talking about a total design overhaul, a massive leap in battery life, and the introduction of biometric security that changes how we use our wearables forever. Welcome back to TechVibe, where we break down the future of technology before it hits the shelves. Today, we are diving deep into the definitive leaks and verified reports surrounding the Apple Watch Ultra 4. For the first time since its debut, the Apple Watch Ultra is getting a physical makeover. Reliable supply chain reports indicate that Apple is moving toward a significantly thinner and lighter chassis. Now, don't worry, it's not losing that rugged, indestructible titanium DNA that makes the Ultra an Ultra. Instead, Apple has managed to shrink the internal components using a new high-density stacked logic board. This means you get a watch that is more comfortable for daily wear and fits better under a shirt sleeve without sacrificing the MILSTD810H durability. The bezels are also getting a trim. We are looking at a marginally larger display area within the same 49mm footprint, giving you more screen real estate for maps, metrics, and those high-intensity data fields. But the real game-changer is sitting right on the side of the watch. Forget typing in passcodes with sweaty fingers after a run. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is rumored to finally integrate Touch ID. Sources suggest the biometric sensor will be embedded directly into the power button or the action button. This is a massive win for security and convenience. Imagine authorizing an Apple Pay transaction or unlocking your Mac just by resting your finger on your watch. It's the kind of "it just works" feature that premium users have been demanding for years, and in 2026, Apple is finally delivering. Under the hood, the Ultra 4 will be powered by the S11 chip. While previous chips focused on raw speed, the S11 is all about efficiency and specialized AI processing. This chip is built on a 2nm process, which is a massive jump in transistor density. What does that mean for you? Efficiency. The previous model already pushed boundaries with its low-power mode, but the Ultra 4 is aiming to make that the standard operating time. We are hearing whispers of a multi-day expedition mode that could push the watch to stay alive for 5 full days on a single charge. This isn't just a small bump, it's a fundamental shift for people who actually take this watch into the wilderness. Now, let's talk about the sensors, because this is where the Apple Watch Ultra 4 becomes a medical-grade powerhouse. Leaks indicate that Apple is doubling the sensor array. We are moving from 4 main clusters to 8. This hardware-first approach is designed to reduce the watch's reliance on software algorithms to guess your metrics. Instead, the Ultra 4 will provide raw, direct data for respiratory rate, advanced heart rhythm analysis, and even more precise sleep stages. While the holy grail of non-invasive glucose monitoring is still a work in progress and likely won't make the cut for this year, the Ultra 4 is laying the groundwork with a revised sensor layout that is more accurate than any wearable we have seen to date. For the athletes and explorers watching, the GPS system is getting a dual antenna upgrade. We already have dual-frequency GPS, but the Ultra 4 will use a new interference rejection technology. If you are running between skyscrapers in New York or hiking through dense forest canopies in the Pacific Northwest, the signal lock will be instantaneous and virtually unbreakable. Combined with the latest software updates, you'll get real-time Pathfinder AI that can predict terrain changes and suggest better routes based on your current fatigue levels. Connectivity is also seeing a massive boost. The Ultra 4 will feature an upgraded satellite SOS system. It's no longer just for emergencies. Apple is reportedly working on satellite messaging for non-emergency use, allowing you to send short check-in texts to family when you are completely off the grid. This is a premium feature that positions the Ultra 4 as the ultimate tool for those who live on the edge. As for the release date, keep your calendars marked for September 2026. It will be the star of the show alongside the latest flagship phone line. Up. Regarding the price, the move to a thinner design and the addition of Touch ID and the S11 chip might push the starting price slightly higher. Expect a range between $849 and $899 in the US. For a device that replaces your dive computer, your mountain GPS, and your daily communicator, that premium price tag comes with unmatched value. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 isn't just another iteration. It is the realization of what the Ultra was always meant to be, a sleek, powerful, and intelligent companion that survives any environment and keeps you connected where others fail. If you've been holding on to your original Ultra or an older model, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to TechVibe for more deep dives into the 2026 tech roadmap. We'll be covering the full flagship phone launch and the new M5 laptops very soon, so you don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching until the end, and we'll see you in the next one. The evolution of the Apple Watch Ultra represents more than just tech updates. It is a shift in how we perceive wearable technology as a lifestyle necessity. In the premium markets of the US, UK, and Canada, users are no longer satisfied with just a fitness tracker. They want a communication hub, a safety net, and a high-end timepiece all in one. The Ultra 4 is designed specifically to meet those high expectations. By moving to the thinner chassis, Apple is acknowledging that while the watch needs to be tough, it also needs to be wearable for the 22 hours a day that it isn't being used for extreme sports. The S11 chip is also rumored to include a dedicated neural engine specifically for Siri. This means voice commands will be processed locally on the watch rather than being sent to the cloud. This will make interactions lightning fast and significantly more private. Imagine being out on a trail with no cellular signal and still being able to ask your watch for complex health data or navigation directions with zero lag. This is the level of autonomy the Ultra 4 aims to provide. Furthermore, the new titanium finish is expected to include a special diamond-like carbon coating. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about longevity. Previous models, while durable, could still pick up minor abrasions over years of heavy use. The Ultra 4 is designed to look brand new even after a year of climbing mountains or diving in salt water. This durability, combined with the new biometric security, makes the Ultra for the most complete package in Apple's history. For those concerned about environmental impact, Apple is pushing even further with the Ultra 4. It is expected to be 100% carbon neutral, utilizing recycled titanium and a new manufacturing process that significantly reduces water waste. This appeals to the conscious consumer who wants the best performance without the heavy footprint. As we look toward the fall of 2026, the anticipation for this device is reaching a fever pitch. The leaks from the supply chain are consistent, and the technological leaps are undeniable. This isn't just a watch for the elite, it's a watch for anyone who refuses to compromise on their technology. The integration of 6G-ready components is also a possibility, ensuring that the watch remains relevant as telecommunications technology shifts toward the end of the decade. The internal cooling system is another area of innovation. With the thinner design, heat management becomes a challenge, especially when recording 4K data or running heavy GPS apps. Apple has reportedly developed a microvapor chamber for the S11 chip, the first of its kind in a wearable. This ensures that the watch never throttles performance, even in the middle of a marathon in the summer heat. Finally, the band ecosystem is getting a refresh. We are hearing about a new titanium link bracelet designed specifically for the Ultra 4 that matches the new, thinner lugs perfectly. This allows the watch to transition from a rugged sports tool to a luxury accessory in seconds. Whether you are in the boardroom or on the side of a cliff, the Ultra 4 is designed to be the only watch you ever need. Thank you for being part of the TechVibe community. We are committed to bringing you the most authentic and up-to-date information on the gadgets that shape our world. Make sure to check out our other videos on the 2026 roadmap, and stay tuned as we get closer to the official reveal. The future of wearables is almost here, and it's called the Apple Watch Ultra 4.